My name is Jose Ramirez. I'm a senior at Aikens High School. I love using computer software. In the past few years, I've learned how to use Photoshop, Flash, Maya, Unity, and Magix. After high school, I will attend Texas State and major in animal science.
Maya modeling. I use Maya and polygon primitives and free textures on the internet to create this temple for my first animation in this class. By using different modes and tools, I duplicated and resized objects to create this temple. Maya environment. I used the vertex mode to edit the textures on this island and created my first animation. I composed my image by locating all the objects in my appealing way for my first animation background. I created and rigged this character in Maya. I use Maya's animation menu to add movement on the timeline and render the video with Premiere. I use the 5 keys to add keyframes after I set up the character using the Maya code box to create a button. This helped me select all moving parts each time I added a keyframe. Magix Music Studio. I used Magix to start making some music for my animations and other projects. I learned how to use the OGG loop and the editable tag files. Animation in Environment 1. I used Maya, Premiere, and sound clips to create the short animation. I created the environment, the temple, and the rig character. The character had to have rig controls which were constrained so they wouldn't move around when I move other parts of the character. I added some humor by making him break out of the temple. Modbox Human. I went to Modbox to create this human figure. Cat modeling and rigging in Maya. I used Maya to model this cat shape from polygon primitives. Cat still walk. I created this GIF with 30 frames in Maya to practice a 4-legged walking cycle. Catwalk video. I made this catwalk in Maya and exported it in Premiere. Cat story. I used the rigging and controls after I smooth bound the model cat mesh to control this character in an environment I created. I had to create an all button to select everything that moved every time I moved an object for the 2000 frames. Heavy walk animation. I used a popular video game character I got off the internet which had been previously rigged and followed video instructions that show me how to make him have a natural walk. I also learned how to use the animation graph editor to make more smooth actions. I hand drew a steampunk warrior and scanned it. Then I used Photoshop to clean it up and I colored it in Flash. Heavy song. I used Magix to create the song to go with my heavy dance animation. Demoreel. I used Premiere to create a demo reel of every project I've done in this class. Independent animation script. I used Word to write this script for my independent animation. Independent animation storyboard. I used Photoshop to create this storyboard for my independent project. Indie project character. I created and rigged this character for my independent project in Maya. Indie project background. I designed this background for my project in Maya so I had a place to put my character. Independent animation. I used Maya and Premiere to create this independent animation. Green screen. I filmed myself in front of a green screen and edited myself inside the environment we did at the beginning of the year. Web portfolio. I created an online portfolio of my projects at Wix.com.